I stepped away from Miss Universe India 2025, and here's why. Hello everyone, this is Anleep Zaidi, and since I recently posted about my withdrawal from the Miss Universe India competition, and I got a lot of questions regarding that. So here are all the questions, and I will try to cover as many as possible. And आज जो cover नहीं होंगे, you can put them down in the comment section. I will definitely reply to all of you very soon. And also I feel कि I owe this video to you all because आप सबने जिसने मुझे support किया है, you were rooting for me and you were kind of disheartened that I'm not going to be on the stage tonight. So I owe this to all of you. I owe this to all of you for all your love, for all your support, and thank you for being there. So let's start now. So this question is about me stepping down, of course. And did you step down because of the organization? Well, I wouldn't say I stepped down just because of the organization, but I mean organization did have a role to play in it. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि a lot of things could have been dealt in a better manner and the organization could have taken responsibility and accountability of few things. And also the management, it could have been better. That's my one of the reasons. So someone wants to know that how did I meet my husband? Well, let me just tell you a little bit about my husband. First of all, he is my biggest cheerleader, he's my supporter, and I think I really needed that support because since my dad is not here anymore and my mom is um, not really into pageants and this industry, she doesn't really support it. I had that one person who supported me through it all, and it was him, and of course, my sister also. So I met him on Instagram. Yeah, he DM'd me and he kept DMing me for quite some time. And एक दिन I just randomly replied to him because I was like, why not? And वहाँ से हमारी फिर फेस टाइम पे बात होने लगी and eventually I think after talking for 2-3 months we finally met in Hyderabad where he was performing and he got me in and his manager got me the best spot and he was coming down from a hydraulic stage and then he did namaste to me, so that was the first time we saw each other. Views on hate based on religion. दिस इज़ वेरी ट्रू गाइज, मतलब मैंने तो पर्सनली बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस किया है कमिंग फ्रॉम माई ओन कम्युनिटी, कमिंग फ्रॉम अदर कम्युनिटीज़ और कमिंग फ्रॉम द फैंस फ्रॉम अदर ऑफ अदर कंटेस्टेंट्स और ऑफ अदर फैन फेवरेट्स. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि just because I was Muslim, people just assumed कि ये तो नॉनवेज भी खाती है and they started writing things about me कि इसकी प्लेट में तो नॉनवेज रहता है, fake animal lover, just by saving cats and dogs you're not a real animal lover. I don't think that's true because you have not done the research on me. At least if you're going to spread hate about me, do some research. I am a vegetarian by choice because my advocacy is animals and I've been working for the welfare of animals since a very long time. Like when I was not even into pageants, and the first pageant I did was in 2015-16. उससे पहले से मैं animal welfare कर रही हूँ. So it was not supposed to be my beauty with a purpose or any advocacy. It was just something that I believe in personally and I've always done that. मुझे बहुत ही अजीब-अजीब से कमेंट्स आते हैं कि अरे ये तो मुल्ली है एंड देन माय कम्युनिटी पीपल विल कम एंड बी लाइक अपना सरनेम चेंज कर दो बिकॉज़ व्हाई आर यू डूइंग दिस? सो येस, हेट कम्स फ्रॉम ऑल द साइड्स. ग्रास इज़ नॉट ग्रीन ऑन एनी साइड फॉर मी. चाहे वो खुद के लोग हो, चाहे वो दूसरे लोग हो. सो दैट्स माय एक्सपीरियंस. So the last straw that made me drop out. I stepped down because of a lot of things, like I said. But that last thing which really pushed me, I think, off my limits was our campaign shoot, which happened with a designer. And वहाँ पे there were few girls. And backstory ये है कि we are awake since last day and our makeup happens at midnight and then we are going for the shoot next morning and everyone is sleep deprived and it's really sunny, it's really hot, our outfits are really heavy. If we were all well rested, it would not have felt so difficult for anyone, but already कुछ लोग बीमार थे, मौसम बदल रहा था, हम ट्रैवल कर रहे थे, it was a hectic schedule. तो कुछ लड़कियां थी जिनको they were throwing up or they were fainting, and we were still in a group shot, all of us in like our really heavy lehengas on steps with artificial lights. The sun is literally on our faces, so it was very difficult. Few girls were not able to handle it anymore physically and mentally, and there was no empathy coming from the team. I feel it was the designers team जिनकी तरफ से कोई भी empathy नहीं थी. They just kept pushing the girls to finish that group shot irrespective of their condition. Eventually things got better when all the girls took a stand for themselves and उसके बाद we got the support that we needed. So that was one last straw which I think really pushed me off my limits, because for me healthy work environment is very important. So this question is, Anleep, we know you're strong, but something big happened behind those closed doors. But what? आह, इतने सारे इंस्टेंसेस हैं जो शायद मुझे अभी याद भी नहीं होंगे, बट फ्यू विच आर रियली इन द बैक ऑफ माई हेड. वन वुड बी कि हम लोग एक लोकेशन पे थे, वी वर स्टेइंग देयर एंड देयर वाज अ वेरी फ्रेंडली डॉग who wanted attention from all the girls, and he was running around playing with everyone, and pretty much everyone was happy. But कुछ लोग थे जिनको डॉग्स नहीं पसंद है, जिनको डॉग से डर लगता है, and which is quite natural. But just because कुछ लोग उस डॉग से इतना डर रहे थे, that a decision was made to relocate that dog from the property जहाँ पे वो पला बड़ा था, and the staff used to take care of it. So they were trying to tie him up and relocate him in the middle of night. I think it was around 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and I was still up because हमारा schedule थोड़ी देर पहले ही खत्म हुआ था. And I saw it happening from my room, and I went to confront the person who was doing it. And I took a video. I told him this is against the laws. I told him I need to speak to someone, some higher authority. That's what I did. I shared the video and I told that this is not what something I can stand for. And I'm in a beauty pageant which talks about humanity, peace, and kindness. So where is all of that? Just because we are scared, that shouldn't mean that someone should lose their life. And I stood up for that, which I don't think reflected good upon me. Also, there were some real weird things happening which I never thought would happen in a beauty pageant. There was a contestant, a co-contestant, who recorded her roommates without their consent because she wanted to know what they are talking about. Yes, that person is still in the competition. So I feel कि इस तरह की चीज़ें जो हुई उसकी वजह से मुझे लगता है कि it was not a safe space for me anymore, and I didn't want to be surrounded in such an environment. I didn't want to be there anymore. So the next question is, what does your statement regarding the toxicity inside and outside mean? Well, when I talk about the toxicity inside and outside the pageant, I'm referring to all the negativity and all the hatred amongst the girls, spreading rumors about each other. Like personally, मेरे बारे में तो बहुत सारी rumors थी. One of them would be कि इसने तो इसके लिए तो state pageant fix थे दोनों. She just bought the crown. But my question is that when you're saying that, are you questioning me or are you questioning the integrity of the organization that you are currently a part of? And of course, people were making fake accounts. There was a lot of bullying, there was a lot of harassment, a lot of defaming was going on. तो ये सब देख के I realized कि it's a lot like high school drama. And when I think of beauty pageants, I'm thinking of sisterhood, I'm thinking of standing up for causes that you believe in, I'm thinking of being there for each other. So I went there maybe with a very different mindset, and the things that I experienced, they just did not align with my values. Okay, next question is, how much do we have to spend in pageants like MUI? Well, it's a personal choice कि आप कितना invest करना चाह रहे हैं, but for me it was a lot because I had been pumping in a lot of money into my wardrobe, be it my prelims gown or my finale gown, or be it the overall presentation. I did personal training for Passerella. I did a lot of fitness training. I worked on myself, my grooming. A lot of things went into it, जिसकी वजह से I spent a lot. But it's your personal choice at the end of the day, and you have to decide that how much you're actually willing to put into it. What was that one thing that you learned through this and you will apply throughout your life? Well, something that I've learned through this is also something that I've always believed in, that if your heart is not in it anymore and if your values do not align, it's always better to take a step back. Because when you take a step back, you get a bird eye view of the entire situation. And after seeing it as an outsider, I've realized that that was not the space where I could have flourished. And this is why I decided to step back too. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and I will be answering more questions in my next video. If you have any more new questions, you can put it in the comment section, and I will be seeing you all very soon. Thank you.